Tired of blurry footage when it matters most? In this video, we reveal the best 4K dash cams that capture every detail in stunning clarity. From license plates to road signs, these cameras don't miss a thing. If you want ultra-sharp recording and reliable performance, these top picks are built to impress. Let's dive into the crisp world of 4K dash cams. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, TiESFONG i7 Pro Dash Cam. The TiESFONG i7 Pro Dash Cam offers complete 360 degrees coverage with a 4K UHD front camera and three 1080p cameras capturing every angle. Its 4-channel recording and 150 degrees ultra-wide lenses eliminate blind spots, providing peace of mind on the road. Built with fire-retardant ABS and PC materials, this dash cam withstands extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. It avoids fire risks by excluding a rechargeable battery and automatically powers off if it overheats. The advanced 360 degrees radar sensor detects nearby movement and triggers recording on all cameras instantly. The 24-hour parking monitor ensures your vehicle is protected, even when unattended. Radar sensitivity is easily adjusted via a one-click switch. Plus, a 3-stage low-voltage protection prevents your car battery from draining. Installation is simple and secure with a 3M adhesive mount and quick-release design. The TiESFONG i7 Pro combines safety, convenience, and reliability for any driver. Second product on our list, VIOFO A229 Plus Dash Cam. The VIOFO A229 Plus is a powerful dash cam that records in sharp 2K HDR quality at 2560 by 1440 pixels. Thanks to its advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it captures clear and bright footage, even in low-light conditions. With a wide 170-degree lens, this dash cam covers a broad view of the road, reducing blind spots and increasing safety. It also includes a rear camera, providing complete coverage of your vehicle. The built-in GPS tracks your exact location, speed and time, while the G-sensor detects impacts and locks important footage automatically. Loop recording and motion detection add extra layers of security. You can connect easily via 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick access to videos and settings through the app. Voice control lets drivers operate the cam hands-free, making it safer on the road. Supporting up to 512 GB memory cards, the VIOFO A229 Plus is perfect for long trips and daily commutes. It's a reliable and smart choice for any driver. Third product on our list, Baseus VD1 3K Dash Cam. The Baseus VD1 3K Dash Cam stands out with its impressive 3K HD resolution, delivering footage that's 3 times sharper than standard 1080p cameras. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens, adjustable by 30 degrees, captures a broad, clear view of the road and surroundings. This dash cam is built for durability. Thanks to its supercapacitor, it offers stable power without the risks of battery swelling or failure, even in extreme temperatures. This means longer life and reliable performance. Night driving is safer with enhanced night vision. The f/1.5 large aperture and 5-layer lens, combined with a blue IR cut filter, improve low-light clarity and reduce glare. Plus, AI voice control lets drivers operate the cam hands-free. The dual GPS and Galileo positioning system logs accurate speed, time, and location. The G-sensor locks footage automatically if a collision is detected. Finally, the Baseus app connects easily via Wi-Fi for live viewing, downloads, and settings. Installation is simple, just mount and plug in. Fourth product on our list, BEPOCAM ZD72P 4K Dash Cam. The BEPOCAM ZD72P 4K Dash Cam is a powerful dual-camera system built for modern drivers. It records in stunning 4K resolution, both front and rear, ensuring every detail is captured. With built-in GPS, Wi-Fi and app compatibility via WiFo, users can track location, view footage, and manage settings directly from their phone. The 3.19-inch IPS screen offers a sharp display for quick previews. Thanks to HDR, night vision, and WDR technology, the camera performs flawlessly in any lighting. Whether it's daytime glare or dark roads, image clarity stays consistent. It supports loop recording, motion detection, and up to 512 GB storage for extended trips. The 24-hour parking monitor keeps your vehicle secure even when you're away. Durable and compact, it operates in extreme temperatures and uses a capacitor for added safety. The BEPOCAM ZD72P is the ideal upgrade for reliable driving surveillance. Fifth product on our list, GMAIPOP 3-channel Dash Cam. The GMAIPOP 3-channel Dash Cam is a compact, high-performance car DVR designed for comprehensive road coverage. With 3 lenses and a 150 degrees wide-angle view, it captures front, interior, and side visuals in crisp 1080p resolution. It features a built-in 3 to 5-inch LCD screen and supports loop cycle recording. That means continuous footage without worrying about memory. Plus, audio is recorded clearly, adding context to every video clip. Night shot and the Sony IMX307 sensor ensure sharp visibility even in low light conditions. Ideal for nighttime drives or dim parking lots. It also includes a 24-hour parking monitor to watch over your car when you're away. Built with a durable corded electric power source and a 6-meter cable, it's easy to install and long-lasting. Whether commuting or ride-sharing, the GMAIPOP dash cam offers smart, reliable protection with every mile.